quickly transform your Substack articles from plain text to captivating visual stories by mastering image insertion in just a few minutes. First things first, open your Substack post editor and navigate to the section where you want to introduce your vibrant visual look for the toolbar that appears above or within your writing area. You'll see a few options for a single, impactful image. Hover your cursor over the image icon and click on Upload Image. This will open your computer's file explorer. Simply browse for the image you want to use, whether it's a photograph you took, a graphic you created, or a licensed stock photo. Once you've chosen your image, click Open, and voila! Your image will instantly appear within your Substack article. You'll notice it's initially set to the full width of your post. But what if that's too big? No problem to resize your image. Simply click on it. You'll see small circular handles appear at the corners and edges. Click and drag one of these handles inwards to shrink the image. To change its position, click on the image again above it. You'll find alignment options. Click Align Left or Align Right to have your text flow around the image, creating a more dynamic layout. If you make a mistake or want to try a different image, simply click on the image again and then click the trash can icon that appears above it to delete it and start over. And that's it. You've successfully added and styled an image to your Substack article, making your content more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. Happy writing and happy sharing.